A DigitalOcean Droplet Firewall is a network security system that controls incoming and outgoing traffic to and from your DigitalOcean droplet. It acts as a barrier between your server and the internet, allowing you to define rules for what traffic is allowed to pass through. To understand how a DigitalOcean Droplet Firewall works, let's break it down step by step. First, you need to create a firewall and add rules to it. These rules can be based on protocols such as TCP, UDP, or ICMP, and can be set to allow or deny traffic to specific ports or IP addresses. For example, if you're running a web server, you would want to allow incoming traffic on port 80 for HTTP and port 443 for HTTPS. You can create a rule to allow TCP traffic on these ports from any IP address. On the other hand, if you want to block all incoming traffic on a specific port, you can create a rule to deny TCP traffic on that port from any IP address. Once you've created your firewall rules, you can apply them to your DigitalOcean droplet. This will ensure that only authorized traffic can reach your server, and all other traffic will be blocked. You can also apply firewalls to multiple droplets at once, making it easy to manage security across your entire infrastructure. Best practices for using a DigitalOcean Droplet Firewall include only allowing traffic on necessary ports, blocking all incoming traffic by default, and regularly reviewing and updating your firewall rules to ensure they remain effective. It's also a good idea to test your firewall rules after applying them to ensure they're working as expected. In summary, a DigitalOcean Droplet Firewall is a powerful tool for securing your server and protecting it from unauthorized access. By creating and applying firewall rules, you can control incoming and outgoing traffic, and ensure that your server remains safe and secure. By following best practices and regularly reviewing your firewall rules, you can help prevent security breaches and ensure the integrity of your data.